performance of transistor amplifier. To understand the performance of transistor amplifier, we will take the common emitter amplifier circuit. This is the common emitter amplifier circuit using NPN transistor. The emitter is common to both the input and output circuits. The emitter is forward biased by using battery VBB. The collector is reverse biased by using battery VCC. The low input AC voltage signal is applied at input terminals. The amplified output is obtained across the collector and emitter. The performance of a transistor amplifier depends upon input resistance, output resistance, effective collector load, current gain, voltage gain, and power gain. We will try to know these terms one by one. First, input resistance. It is the ratio of small change in base emitter voltage, that is delta VBE, to the corresponding change in base current, that is delta IB, at constant collector emitter voltage. That is, input resistance Ri equal to delta VBE upon delta IB at VCE equal to constant. The value of input resistance is quite small because the input circuit, that is base emitter junction, is always forward biased. Second, output resistance. It is the ratio of change in collector emitter voltage, that is delta VCE, to the corresponding change in collector current, that is delta IC, at constant base current. That is, output resistance RO equal to delta VCE upon delta IC at IB equal to constant. The value of output resistance is very high because the output circuit, that is collector base junction, is reverse biased. Third, effective collector load. It is the total load as seen by the AC collector current. It means when AC input signal is present, then the total resistance obtained at output terminal. Now look at this circuit diagram. The output resistance between this collector and emitter, that is R0. If we draw this output section on the circuit like this, then this R0 and RC are parallel, and this parallel combination of R0 and RC be the effective collector load. That is, effective collector load RAC equal to R0 into RC upon R0 plus RC. Since R0 is large with compared to RC, therefore, by neglecting RC of denominator, we have RAC equal to R0 RC upon R0, and that is equal to RC. Therefore, we can say that for a single stage amplifier, effective load RAC is equal to collector load RC. Fourth, current gain. It is defined as the ratio of the change in collector current, that is delta IC, to the change in base current, that is delta IB, at constant collector voltage. That is, current gain beta equal to delta IC upon delta IB at VCC equal to constant. The value of beta lies between 20 to 500. Fifth, voltage gain. It is the ratio of change in output voltage, that is delta VCE, to the change in input voltage, that is delta VBE, at constant base current. That is, voltage gain AV equal to delta VCE upon delta VBE at IB equal to constant. Since delta VCE equal to delta IC into RAC and delta VBE equal to delta IB into RI, therefore, it is also written as AV equal to delta IC into RAC upon delta IB into RI, and which is equal to beta into RAC upon RI, because beta equal to delta IC upon delta IB, that is current gain. 6. Power gain. It is the ratio of change in output power to the change in input power. That is AP equal to delta PO upon delta PI. Change in output power delta PO equal to change in output voltage delta VCE into change in output current delta IC, and change in input power delta PI equal to change in input voltage delta VBE into change in input current delta IB. Therefore, we can write AP equal to delta VCE into delta IC upon delta VBE into delta IB. Since delta VCE upon delta VBE, that is voltage gain AV, and delta IC upon delta IB, that is current gain AI. Therefore, AP equal to AV into AI. Change in output voltage VCE also expressed as RAC into delta IC, and change in input voltage delta VBE also expressed as RI into delta IB. Therefore, we can write voltage gain AP equal to RAC delta IC into delta IC upon RI delta IB into delta IB. That is RAC upon RI into delta IC square upon delta IB square, or RAC upon RI into delta IC upon delta IB whole square. This is the ratio of output resistance to input resistance. So, it is called resistance gain. And delta IC upon delta IB, that is current gain. So, we can say that AP equal to resistance gain into square of current gain. These are the terms related to transistor amplifier.